To date, more than 500,000 people have received both doses of the vaccine, an additional 200,000 on their first dose. Now Zimbabwe faces a new hurdle. Demand now outweighs supply, but health officials say there is no need for panic.
Vaccine shortages are not affecting Zimbabwe alone. Virtually the whole globe is affected by vaccine shortages. Remembering that all at the moment we've vaccinated those that have received more than 2 doses, those that have been vaccinated fully are actually standing at less than 500 million out of a population of almost 8 billion. So meaning it's only 5.6% of the world that has been fully vaccinated. And Zimbabwe has vaccinated 2.6% in terms of those that have received full vaccination. So we are not very much, yes, it's something to worry about, but it's not only for Zimbabwe per se. We are actually in a very, very better position compared to other countries in the region.
The public is advised that efforts to ensure the availability of doses continue as a matter of priority. The Ministry of Health and Childcare is redistributing existing stocks to ensure availability of the second dose. A batch of 500,000 doses of vaccines is expected in the country by 15th June 2021.
Medical practitioners warn that the country should not let its guard down.
COVID-19 seems to be re-emerging. We seem to be recording quite an increased number of cases. If you notice, the last 2 days we've lost more than 9 people who have been announced officially as having succumbed to COVID-19. So we are very much, we are beginning to get worried a bit, because we know when this thing comes, it can strike heavily on us. As you know, the region is affected, SADC in general, with Zambia yesterday actually recording more than 1,200 cases. And Namibia is also starting to become overwhelmed in terms of their health facilities. Same like Namibia, same like Botswana. And South Africa, we cannot say, South Africa is in trouble with more than 4,000 something cases every day that are recorded. So COVID-19 seems to be on an upward trend lately, and we have to take note of that.
Zimbabwe aims to vaccinate more than 9 million people. Sophie, Mokoena, SABC News.